welcome back to Handmade. I'm Jenny. So I've been seeing all of these videos on the internet of people making DIY cotton candy, and honestly it looks kind of complicated. People are like taking apart blenders and modifying them with tin cans, and it seems a little dangerous, a little scary. But I'm also seeing people who are making it by pulling the sugar into these long, beautiful strands, and it looks really cool. So I really wanted to try it. I thought that today I would do something different and do it for the first time now. Normally when I plan a craft, I do it multiple times and make sure it's gonna work, but I didn't really want to do that today because I thought it would be more fun to experiment together. So this could go one of two ways. I have these dreams of a really cute cotton candy gift topper, but I'm gonna be honest, I've never even made candy before, much less cotton candy, which seems kind of hard. So this could also be a total disaster. But I'm excited to see what happens, and I hope you are too. Stick around and let's get started. Okay, so this project starts simply enough by adding ingredients to a pot. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of sugar. I need 5 tablespoons of corn syrup. I need a half teaspoon of vinegar. And then I need a cup of water, but they say to go ahead and add your food coloring in the color of your choice to the water before adding it to the mixture. You could also add some flavorings to this if you choose. Apparently you're not supposed to mix this very much, so I'm just going to kind of lightly wet the sugar, being very gentle. And then I'm going to place it on the stove. So I asked the internet if I could use a meat thermometer instead of a candy thermometer, and the internet told me that I can, as long as the temperature goes up high enough, and mine does. So I'm going to just use this meat thermometer because it's what I have and see what happens. So as my mixture heats up, I'm also supposed to look for any sugar crystals forming along the outside edge and take either a kind of wet rubber spatula or rubber pastry brush and just brush those gently upwards to get rid of them. Oh, uh-oh, I may have gone over. I'm gonna set that off. I think I went over a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna set it off of the eye and let it cool to 212 degrees. Once the sugar has cooled to 212 degrees, I'm gonna pour it gently into this plastic container. Now I'm just gonna leave this to harden. Okay, so we have a puck, and this is what it's supposed to look like, and it should just pop right out of this container. Yeah. And look something like this. So mine, I can see a little bit of crystal in there. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't know if that's gonna mess things up or not, but we're sure gonna give it a shot. So to stretch this into really tiny threads, I need apparently to use a lot of cornstarch to keep it from sticking to my hands. So I'm going to take my puck and coat it in this cornstarch. So mine is nice and pliable, at least in the center, but they say that if it's not, you can throw it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. And I'm gonna start, okay, I may need to put it, I may have lied. I may need to put this in the microwave. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if that helped matters. Oh yeah, much better. So you can see I'm making a kind of a donut shape. Ooh, this is really cool. Uh-oh, I broke it. Well, the good news is I'm getting my arm workout for the day. I'm sure they could just like screenshot all of the faces I'm making. Ooh, double it like a figure 8. And now I have 2 loops. See, I lost one. Poop. So I don't know what to do in that case, but I'm guessing like maybe if I like twist them together. Oh, it broke. Shoot. So I think I did get like some of it a little bit too hard because it's like breaking. Oh, this is a mess. Okay, I really think that I may have messed this up with the sugar getting too hard. When they say don't let it go past 269, don't let it go to 273. That is the moral of this story. And you know what? If at first you don't succeed, stop, have a glass of wine, and try it again tomorrow. I'll be back. We're gonna try this again. So, I'm gonna dip it all in here. I feel better about this one. It's definitely easier for me to work with, so I'm just gonna be really gentle. So I learned some things. Basically, making candy is science. And I'm not great at science. I'm more of a language arts kind of girl. You cannot deviate from this science at all, which means 271. You cannot let it hit that. You cannot move it around because crystals will start to form. There's so many rules that you just absolutely have to abide by or you're gonna mess it up. This feels like it's going to be a lot better. Honestly, I think I'm going to be able to wrap this and it is going to be the cotton candy of my dreams. This is so cool. To make my little mini cotton candies, I have a little paper straw that I cut. I'm gonna go have a present just to put it on top. Well, a whole lot of science later, we finally did it. Hand-pulled cotton candy and a really cute cotton candy mini gift topper. I'm gonna be honest, not sure I would ever do this project again because it was a lot and I got it wrong a lot of times. But it was really fun to experiment and try something new. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be willing to try it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!